Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In additional of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 31st, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles. The 2 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, both has 24 printed digits. Yes, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, yes, a.k.a. Tectonic, and that's they call the cipher block in Japanese, Suguru, and this one will be number 8636. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, 18 printed digits. That's a lot, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18, should be an easy one. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Well, we will see if this is really a 4 stars. I don't think so. Maybe a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need 14 or 13 minutes. Maybe a 1 star for 1 star. Faster than 50 minutes. Alright, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Yeah, single box. Here, single box. There, single box. Always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here. Insufficient information right now, so let me mark those. How about triple boxes? I see here one triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Okay. Quadra boxes then. Next question. Do we have quadra boxes? I see only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be, no. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the 4 could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here, okay. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Nope, only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only one of them. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do you have more L shape? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And yeah, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 of them. Yeah, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then. Let me see. This box can be 4, this box can be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 3 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be also 5. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. Then, let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. And these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Then. Yeah. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and a 2. Then, let me see. Yeah. We have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this duo box for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 or a 2. Well, we already have a 1 here in the T-shaped area. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this W area, save for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. This box can be 1. This box can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. Then. Let me see. Yeah. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4 anymore then. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. Well. This box can be a 3, and this box can be a 1. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Is connected with that box, so 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Alright. I need a 2 here. Okay. Then, let me think. 3, 4, 2. Come on. Well, these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, or in the same area we have a 1 here. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. Okay. Well. Okay. We go up. Well. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. Then this box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 3 should be there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. That box, this can be 4. That box should be a 4 in this area. Should be here, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Then 3 and 4. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and the 3. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left for the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then this box can be a 4. So and that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes throughout the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. So these 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 0 stars here, or 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes here. So I'm very well pleased with the time. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give it this a 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Yes, it's a weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.